Collarbone. Kailan kaya kita makikita ulit? Kailan? Actually, ito lang talaga maganda sa SG. Alam mo yun, kahit gabi na, marami pa rin nag-exercise, marami pa rin nag-walk, marami pa rin nagra-run. It's very common here. Like now, it's already almost 10. It's 9:50. But actually, around the area, marami pa rin talagang nag-exercise. And kahit gabi na, you will feel safe. So, nothing to worry about the time. It only depends on you, how you motivate yourself to do it.
무리를 둥둥 떠나